Welcome back to my channel, guys. Here I have some ingredients here, and I will be making spinach and cheese quiche. In this bowl I have 3/4 cup of spinach, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/4 cup diced onion, 1 cup of half and half milk, and I have 4 eggs, and I have 1 cup of grated cheese. Salt and black pepper over there, so let's get straight into this video. Okay, so I'm going to turn the stove on, and I'm going to turn it down medium low, because I want to saute the onion. Okay, so here I'm adding half tablespoon of butter. I'm using unsalted butter. Here I'm adding the onion. I'm going to allow the onions to saute for 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now and crack my eggs in this bowl. I'm going to remove the raw from the egg, which is this little white thing. Some people call it the egg eye. Okay, so I finished removing the raw from the eggs. I'm going to go ahead and beat the eggs now. Okay, I'm going to add the milk now, followed by the black pepper and the salt. Okay, so here I'm adding 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper. Here I'm adding the cheese. Now I'm going to add the spinach. Here I'm adding the onion. Okay, so I'm going to combine everything together. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to pour it out. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like before it goes into the oven. So you're going to preheat your oven at 400 Fahrenheit, and you're going to bake the quiche for 60 minutes. Okay? Carefully put it in the oven, right in the center. Okay guys, now it's time to remove the quiche from the oven. Here you have it guys, spinach and cheese quiche. Very easy to make, very delicious, simple recipe guys. Try it out. Please like the video, share the video out, and if it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel, touch my post notification bell to all so you will not miss out on another great video. Thank you so much. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in another video. And of course, be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Bye.